Okay, it's nandito na ngayon. Finally, nakalabas na ako, lumabas na ang test result ko. It's January 7. So, wait ko na rin yung clearance to go back to work. So, almost 4 days din ang pag-aantay. So, yun. So, okay na tayong lumakad. Negative na tayo. Ito yung ating result ko. Ting ting. Yan ang ating result. So let's go. May pupuntahan lang tayo. Okay. Ang sarap ng hangin. Ang sarap ng fresh air. Ito, magpapagas muna tayo. Ay, damhin mo ang fresh air. Kasi 4 days tayong hindi lumayas, O yun. So, magpapagas tayo. Pero anyways, kaburyong, pero mas maburyong nung last year kasi almost 2 months akong naka-quarantine last year kasi nga sunod-sunod. Pero so far hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon, matibay pa rin tayo. So hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon, matibay lang, na-expose lang, naka-quarantine lang dahil sa exposure. Pero so far wala, matibay. So anyways, tayo ay magpapagas. Cancel natin ang ating lechon, ang ating lechon na 3 this weekend. So kailangan natin i-cancel yon kasi sinabihan ko na, kasi hindi natin alam yung resulta, baka magtagal din. So mas maigi na lang, sabihan na lang yung mga kliyente na cancel na lang for like this weekend, kasi mahirap na pag mag-reserve tayo na umaasa sila. Mahirap na pag umaasa sila na sila ay mabibigyan ng lechon. So cancel natin ang ating 3 lechon this weekend. So I don't know kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga panibagong orders. Ang situation ngayon medyo dumadami na naman ang cases. So ingat lang tayo. At yung matibay, So ganoon lang, at konting ingat, palakasin ng ating ang ating katawan. So far hindi pa tayo natatamaan, hindi pa dumadapo. So hindi tayo kailangan magpakampante. So yung mga quarantine natin, base lang yan sa protocol ng CDC at ng Employee Health Services at ng ating kung saan tayo nag-work. So kailangan natin i-follow yon. So yun. So by Monday pasok na ako, inaantay ko lang yung clearance. Pwede na akong pumasok may Monday. So mabuhay po, ingat po tayo lahat dyan. At ang hirap po ang ma-quarantine. Lalo't hindi po tayo masyadong sanay sa mga ganyan ba, nakukulong. Okay, tara let's pagas tayo. Bush, Ilocos Pinoy. Hindi, kasi kailangan tumatawag sa akin dito. Hindi niya lalabas. How much, Angel? How much?
Oh my god, you're going out.
No. Look at that.
Oh, that's a dolphin!
Wow. Abby. Oh, Jel, go inside. Wala siyang
Dude, there's a dolphin!
Oh, Abby, come here. Abby.
Back.
Angel, lika. Pasok ka doon. Let's try Angel's new second-hand car.
Wait,
Or
watch out, Abby. Abby! My, look, she's already getting stuff in the car.
Lika. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Ayusin mo.
The animal!
Hold it. Come on. Wow,
Yeah.
meron siyang sunroof.
That's the only thing I
Meron din siya
want in the car.
nabubuksan?
Yeah, I think you could.
Wow.
This kind of reminds me of Megan's old car.
What? Saan ang opinion
Here,
mo?
Dad. Oh, park here.
Ganda. Meron pang sunroof. Si Ace meron din ba?
Yeah.
Okay, ito na po guys ang car ni Gel Gel. Galing sa kanyang work. Okay, nice. Second hand.
Do you have the car keys? Are the car keys then?
Yeah.
You're gonna get lost in here.
So kailangan ipa-ano mo na lang tong key pag gusto mo ano. Nakalak na dyan? Nakabukas yung sunroof mo. Ba? Ganda ah. Angel ah. Wala na kaming parkingan. That's it. So tayo pupunta sa kay Jeff. Dalawin natin. Bigyan natin ng pagkain. Saan yung food? Okay. Punta tayo para kumuha ng lemon and magbigay ng food kay Tito Jeff. Okay. Dalanawin natin ng first quarantine.
10 days.
10 days already?
No, it's only like
5 days.
5 days.
Oh.
No, you know what? You already. You don't need to.
What?
Because remember, you got the symptoms November 28th. And
November 28th.
December? December 28th.
What is this?
Yeah, I felt coffee.
So you didn't
know.
just go to the test, but you got the symptoms 28th.
That's why I'm gonna take
29th, 30th.
I'm gonna.
Because do you have fever?
No,
See,
nothing.
you, the,
But I do have a
the latest now.
little slight cough, like once
No,
in a
it's
while.
but it's getting it's worse than before or getting better.
Oh, way much better.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't need to.
Really?
It's just like you need to put mask when you go. Like right now, they're only 5 days quarantine, and then on the 5th day, if you don't have what do you call this one? If you don't have fever anymore, you could get out, but you need to put still mask everywhere you go for another 5
Oh, really?
days.
I can go out?
Yeah, total of 10 days.
Oh, my wife's telling me you better stay home and stay in the room. I can't even go to the
And
kitchen.
then as long as you don't have fever.
Yeah.
So
No, I don't have.
Okay, we're gonna get lemon here. Dala akong plastic. Super dami. Mas gusto ko to. Yan. Super dami pa.
But it
So, orange
doesn't
pala
mean
to.
if
This
you
is orange,
if
right?
You're still infected.
Orange?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you can make mimosa. Me and my wife make mimosa.
Mimosa.
Champagne and you put
Orange?
orange.
Oh.
That's mimosa.
Slept with me.
So 750. I just raised the rent.
What?
But yeah, so what I did was I did
That's too much, Jeff. 750.
no, but it's but what I did was I put it all inclusive.
oh,
I pay
like
for the utilities.
everything.
I pay for the
That's still
internet.
smart though.
I
It's still
furnish
good.
it.
Yeah.
I give you the bedrooms up.
All students, huh?
Yeah, all students, but the back room I'm paying 750 for one room. And then with Megan and the other girl, she's only paying 550 because small room. And then the two engineers, they're paying 750 each. And then the garage, remember, you know what I
Yeah,
did
the
to the
change,
garage?
yeah,
I
the
cut it and it
there
cost
is no-
$5,000.
So there is no washing machine there, or you or like.
You crazy. You crazy.
You're good.
Hey, Tyler, no?
You crazy. Crazy boy. Bye-bye. Galit sa akin. Ah.
Alin?
Pick up. Kailangan din niya pala.
Sino? Dapat na pick up siya kasi construction siya eh.
May disgrasya dyan, no? May na disgrasya.